Hello everyone. Today again we have another phone for glass replacement. At Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs, we do only glass replacement for the original screens. So as you see now, we are trying to remove the glass from Samsung S21 Ultra. It has only glass broken, but the display, the LCD, it's still working fine. So now we are removing the edge glass little bit. We crack it and we removed it, as you see in the video. We remove like a small portion of the glass to reach the LCD to be able to insert the wire between the glass and the LCD. So now from the second edge we need to make another like small area. You see we use like this kind of drill to cut the front glass, the upper level glass. We use it very carefully because we don't need to cut the LCD underneath the glass. We need only to cut the glass only. If this drill like reach the LCD, then the project is done. No need to continue. See, we are trying to remove the glass, this small piece, the one we cut it. So now we can insert the wire between. We need to heat it up a little bit. This is a heater. See, now we already installed the wire between the glass and the LCD. This is the way we need to remove the glass. The white portion is OCA glue between the glass and the LCD, the display. We do this service for all Samsung and iPhone screens. If you have original screen with only broken glass, you can bring it to Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill. You can book an appointment through our email address or the website maplelaptopservices.com, and you are most welcome. After we heated up the LCD or the glass, we start continuing removing the glass. We are trying to soften the glue under the glass. That's why we warm it up or we heat it up a little bit, so it will be easier, to move the wire in between them. This one should be done slowly, and there is a way like to move the wire. We don't need to pull it up too much or down. It should be like a little bit straight. We don't need to put any pressure on the LCD. When we feel like the glue became like very sticky, then we turn it on again and in the face, and we try to heat it up a little bit. If you have any original screen on your phone and you crack only the glass, please contact us. We do it for Samsung or Galaxy S, A, and we can do it for iPhone X to 16 Pro Max. We are located in Richmond Hill, Ontario. Maple cell phone and laptop repairs. You can see after we removed the glass, now we are removing the OCA glue underneath the glass. Now we clean it to make sure no glue remaining, no dust, no any marks. See, you can see it's very shiny. Now it's time to remove the LCD from the frame. We inserted this plastic piece to remove the LCD. We put like kind of alcohol in this plastic to soften the glue, and we lift up the glue from the frame. Here, this area is very critical in the bottom where the LCD cable. So now this is the LCD, the main display. So now we are continuing cleaning the LCD. Now we will attach it with the glass, a new glass. See, we need to make sure the front camera hole attach like in the same area with the LCD. A glass and LCD should be aligned together in the same area, like this. So now we'll put it inside the machine to press it and heat it up to attach the glass with the LCD. We'll keep it for a few minutes, 10-15 minutes, to be able to get the right result. This is the end of the LCD. Thank you for watching.